Hey, Jake, give the kids a turn.
Hold on, hammer.
Sure, I'll be right back. I'll just videotape Jake for 1 more second.
I put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
I want to see the video. Are you putting it on a video?
Go, Cassie, run through.
Hey, Cass.
So I'm going to see the urine more. Is it okay if I see the urine watch more? I'll get wet, but not eat.
You get the right in the face and you don't care.
Jake, come.
Jake. Okay, have a shake.
Oh, he got you, Cassie.
Okay, Jess. Jake, back up.
He's good. Mom, you know how you can tell he's going?
How?
His eyes.
Yeah.
See what? They're open. They open. Blow.
Go, Jesse. Go, Jesse. Quick.